Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the headache of complicated wiring? The Scosche wiring harness offers a direct connection to your factory stereo harness, eliminating the need to cut any wires. Designed specifically for 2000 and newer Buick and Pontiac models, this harness ensures a seamless fit and reliable performance every time. What sets this wiring harness apart is its factory-quality construction paired with EIA industry-standard color-coded wires. Each wire is clearly labeled for power, speakers, and specific functions, making installation straightforward, even if you're not an expert. This color coding helps you avoid confusion and speeds up the entire process. If you're worried about compatibility, here's the key detail. This harness works perfectly with factory stereo systems but is not compatible with factory amplified systems. That means if your car has a factory amp, this harness won't fit. However, for standard setups, it's a perfect match that connects directly without any splicing or cutting. Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio installation accessories for over 40 years. Their commitment to quality and affordability shines through in this product. When you buy a Scosche wiring harness, you're not just getting hardware, you're getting peace of mind backed by a lifetime of technical support. One user shared their experience, highlighting the importance of understanding your vehicle's electrical system before starting. They noted the red wire requires a dual fuse connection from the radio to the fuse box, but once that was sorted, the harness worked flawlessly. This kind of insight helps you avoid common pitfalls and get your stereo up and running smoothly. Installing an aftermarket stereo can be intimidating, but the right wiring harness makes all the difference. With Scosche's precision-engineered design and clear labeling, you get what you need for a clean, professional installation without the guesswork or frustration. If you want a hassle-free upgrade that respects your vehicle's original wiring and keeps everything neat, this harness is worth a look. Plus, with lifetime tech support ready to assist, you're never left on your own to figure things out. Ready to take your car audio to the next level? Try the Scosche wiring harness when you're ready to install. It's a smart choice for anyone who values quality, simplicity, and reliable performance in their aftermarket stereo setup.